So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So how are you all? I think all are doing good. So let's enter into the topic guys now. So sound delay is a major problem for the live streamer guys. So I'm getting very bad comments. So in my last video I have got that comments that are not fixed. So I will show you why we get this problem. Sound delay is a major and common problem in the live streaming guys. So we will get to two major problems, that is sound delay and sound is playing forward and video is backward. So this is the problem guys. So I will show you why we get this major problem. So what is the setting for this in Omlet Arcade? So I have found one setting, so I will show you after the intro guys. So let's get started without our wasting our time. So hey guys, welcome back. So I have kept an image on the screen guys, you can see that, watch it carefully guys. So only Android 10 supports this setting guys. So this setting supports only Android 10. So majorly people having Android 10 phones, there are no Android 10 phones, but they are very rate and very highly costed guys. So Android 10 phones like iPhone, OnePlus, Samsung Galaxy newly version, so you can go through that. So if you go through that, you can get Android 10 and you will on this setting, so you will not get any sound delay issues. So try to buy Android 10 phone guys. So I'm not saying that Android 9 is not waste, so they are best for live streamers. So I recommend you to buy Android 10 guys. So guys, where you can find this setting? So step 1 is go to Omlet Arcade. So you can see there, click on go live and select your game and platform, and there is a setting called stream settings, and there is a setting called audio source. So click on that, so you will find that audio clip. So this is the end of the session guys. So let's get to the gameplay again, and I will show you the solution. So I will bring you a solution guys. So guys, this is the end of the session guys. So every problem has definitely a solution, so don't worry guys, don't feel also sorry for that, and I will bring that solution very soon guys. So sorry for the delay of the videos guys. So I have work because I cannot upload videos. So this is the part 2 video of sound delay guys. Please watch the first one also, because you will confused if you see this video, and we will see in next video guys. Stay safe and love you, bye.